So today I want to talk about something near and dear to my heart, and that is a bomb pop lemonade. And we're going to build it two different ways. First, we're going to start off with the more complicated way. So let's start with this. So you're going to need some ice. You're going to need some of your favorite vodka, about 2 ounces worth of it. You're going to need some sugar. We have sugar packets in our office because we have coffee, so raw sugar is easy to find. Then you're going to need a glass, and you're going to need a bomb pop, okay? Also, the key ingredient is going to be the lemon. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the lemon and we're going to simply chop it up. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half, making sure that we turn on the inside of our hand so we don't accidentally cutting our fingers or anything in that process. But I'm going to do it a couple slices here. I'm going to grab it and do another slice, and I'm going to do one more slice, and one more slice, and one more slice, and that's it. Now that we have those sliced lemons, I'm going to take these different bits and pieces, and I'm actually going to do one more slice here and one more slice here. And I'm going to put it inside my lemonade, or my vodka over here. I'm just going to drop that all in there. And we'll drop this in here as well. We're then going to take the sugar packets. We're going to open them up, dump it right on top there. Dump it on top. We got 2 packets here, and this is raw sugar. So now what you normally do is use something to muddle it. Now in this specific sense, since we're in the office, we don't have muddlers in our office. But we do have is a spoon. So now I'm going to use this, I'm going to press against this, making sure I'm squeezing out some of the juice, getting some of the zest from the lemons and stuff like that to come out. And also the alcohol will help actually pull and extract some of that as well in this process. Now, once I get it to a good muddling point, I could stop. And I think we're at a point where I think I could stop. I'm going to dump it into my area where I have the ice. This way I can chill all that information, all that stuff. And we've got the sugar, all that stuff inside there. Now, it'd be better if you did this with a simple syrup, but we're not doing that because we don't have it. So we put it all together with the ice. I'm gonna close that up, and I'm gonna shake it up really hard. Now in this, what I'm doing is making sure that every little bit of that vodka is all iced up and ready to go. Now that we have that, I'm going to need my glass. I'm going to pour that out. I'm going to need a nice tall glass here. Pour that out right in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. And that's all the vodka. Now, one of the things we missed here is we forgot to add water. And through the miracle of editing, we now have our water that we forgot. Let's add that to our drink. Pour that in. We've got about 6 ounces here. So if you remember, we have 2 ounces, so that's about 8 ounces to the drink. Now, that may look like a lot, and it doesn't look like a lot here, but we're adding more liquid still to this as well. One of the key things in the final ingredient is the actual bomb pop itself. Now, the reason we want to keep this kind of low is the stick's going to stick up, and it's going to melt as it kind of goes. But now we have our bomb pop lemonade. As it melts, drink it how you wish, but this is the way I kind of like it. That's good lemonade.